I was asked to make one by my son's girlfriend.
Okay.
She runs a creche. And she said, will you make a doll's house that size and that height? So that's what I went on. And I started making one, and I made one for her. And then I ended up making 11. So normally they're done with the red roof, and I prefer the red roof. But the man that helped me to paint it, he
Went for green.
went for green. And it's the only one that didn't sell yet.
Oh, are you serious? So you're blaming him?
Yeah. People believe it's unlucky for green.
Oh,
you know, for
okay,
someone
okay.
to buy green or give green. So the roof just it lifts off like that.
Yeah.
And then the wee doors can open like that. And then there's little. Normally he makes the little furniture, but these ones that were bought.
Okay, okay, but you can make furniture as well.
He does make the furniture.
And how long have you been using the men's shed?
Over a year now. We're over a year here, and it's like
Yeah, how often would you come? Like once a week or a couple of times a week?
maybe
or?
3 or 4 times a week.
Really?
At least I go. I have the free bus pass, so I had to go on that, and I try to go maybe one day a week on the bus pass, go on the train to
Yeah.
Cork or Dublin.